Hello students, with another part of consumer protection. Now in this part we will study what are uh, the different levels of the consumer redressal mechanism, a three-tier machinery which is being established by the government, right? How it works and what are the different levels, what is its composition, all we will deal here, and we will write now. Here in this part, we'll discuss about the NGOs and other government organizations as well. So we know about the consumer rights, already we have done. What are the different rights of the consumers? The basic rights of the consumers already we have done, right? Now the three-tier mechanism, redressal agencies under the Consumer Protection Act 2019. There's a three-tier redressal commission. The first one level is your district commission. District commission is the, we can say, is the lowest level. Here it consists of one president and two other members. One must be a woman, which is appointed by the concerned state government, and it deals with the disputes up to the value of rupees 50 lakhs, and whatever the judgment is being done by the district commission, if the consumer is not satisfied by the decision of the district commission, then he can approach to the state commission within 45 days of passing of the order by district commission. Okay, the next level is your state commission. It consists of one president and minimum 4 other members. Again, it also has at least one woman, so one must be a woman out of this committee. And for disputes, it deals with the disputes from rupees 50 lakhs up to rupees 2 crores. 50 लाख से 2 करोड़ की जितने भी आपके क्लेम्स हैं, जितने भी आपकी कंज्यूमर की जो उनकी शिकायतें हैं, वो सब कहाँ पर होंगी? आपकी स्टेट कमीशन में होती हैं. एंड अपॉइंटमेंट्स आर बीइंग डन बाय द concerned state government. If the consumer is unsatisfied with the judgment against his appeal, then appeal can be made to the National Commission, and within the 30 days of the judgment passed by the State Commission. Okay, then National Commission, it again consists of one president and 4 other members, where one must be a woman. So all the three, in the three-tier machinery, every commission has one woman at least. Wherever in the national and state commission, one president and at least 4 members. Okay, but in case of your district commission, one president and 2 members are there, and it deals with the disputes which are exceeding rupees 2 crores, and the appointments are being done by the central government. And if the consumer is unsatisfied with the decisions of the National Commission, the consumer can appeal in the Supreme Court about a matter failing in its original jurisdiction within 30 days of passing of the order by the National Commission. तो क्या है आपका जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट कमीशन के ऑर्डर के 45 डेज के अंदर, बट स्टेट एंड नेशनल कमीशन के ऑर्डर के 30 डेज के अंदर उनको उसके हायर लेवल पर अपील करना होता है कंज्यूमर को, इफ दे आर नॉट सेटिस्फाइड विद देयर ऑर्डर्स और देयर डिसीजंस. नाउ consumer rights and consumer duties already we have done. Now the reliefs available to a consumer. What are the different reliefs which are available to a consumer? To remove the defects in goods or deficiencies in services. जो defects हैं goods में या deficiencies हैं उनको remove करना. To replace the defective products with a new one free from any defect. या तो defective goods को remove करना, ठीक है, या defective product को replace करना, या फिर refund करना price paid for the product or the charges paid for the services. To pay a reasonable amount of compensation for any loss or injury suffered by the consumer due to the negligence of the opposite party. To pay a reasonable amount of compensation for any loss or injury suffered by the consumer due to the negligence of the opposite party. क्यों कोई भी अगर लॉस करा है, उसको लॉस हुआ है, कोई इंजरी है, उसको भी कंपनसेट करना पड़ता है आपका, ठीक है. to withdraw the hazardous goods from the market, to discontinue of unfair or restrictive trade practices and not to repeat it in the future, to pay punitive damages in appropriate circumstances, to pay any amount not less than 5% of the value of defective goods or defective services provided, to be credited to the Consumer Welfare Fund or any other organization और persons to be utilized in the prescribed manner. तो welfare fund में जो डाला है amount वो जो जिस manner से use होना चाहिए whatever being provided or prescribed in that way it is to be used. Now National Consumer Day, we have international जो है Consumer Day, that is on 15th March, and National Consumer Day is on 24th of December. Every year is to be celebrated. Now, what is national consumer rights? Right? How they have to be. This is think of. The 6 rights are there where they can complain. Okay, and what are the steps they have to take towards the interest of the consumer? So, आपका जो है where to complain? We know National Consumer Helpline number is also there, 1811 4000. State Consumer Helpline number is also there. Direct CGRC, Department of Consumer, ठीक है, Affairs, आपका है जामनगर, and then District Consumer Forum, State Consumer Commission, ठीक है, and for National Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission, and there is a helpline also where the consumer can file their complaints. Now, role of consumer organizations and NGO. क्या role है consumer organizations and NGO का? Consumer organization or associations are voluntary associations of consumer. About 500 consumer associations have been formed with different parts of the country, right? That is being generally it is known and the small organizations are also there which are being located in different region or different localities as well, which is not being a part. This is not being in this count number. Some of them are voice like New Delhi, Common Cause, New Delhi, Consumer Utility and Trust Society, Cuts, Jaipur, etc. The Consumer Coordination Center has been set up as an apex body of consumer organization in India. Then हमारा है main task of consumer organizations क्या है? Making consumer aware of their rights and responsibility. Very important. What are their rights and what are their responsibility to make them aware so that they can avail their rights and they have to follow their responsibilities. Educating consumers about the remedies available to them for protecting their rights. Collecting data on different products and testing them. Publishing journals, brochures and monograms on consumer affairs. Organizing protests and boycotts against adulteration, underweights etc. कोई भी अगर कंज्यूमर के अगेंस्ट अनफेयर प्रैक्टिस हुई है तो उसके लिए वो प्रोटेस्ट कर सकते हैं, बायकॉट्स करते हैं. Producing films and cassettes on food adulteration, drug misuse etc. Carrying out comparative testing of consumer products in accredited laboratories to test the quality of products. तो आपके टेस्ट भी कराते रहते हैं ताकि क्वालिटी ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स की टेस्टिंग होती रहे. एंड पब्लिशिंग द टेस्ट रिजल्ट्स फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ कंजम्पशन. तो उनको पब्लिश करते हैं ताकि उनको कंज्यूम करना है कि नहीं करना ये कस्टमर डिसाइड कर सके. फाइलिंग कंप्लेंट्स इन एप्रोप्रिएट कंज्यूमर कोर्ट्स ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द कंज्यूमर, राइट, एंड प्रोवाइडिंग लीगल असिस्टेंस टू कंज्यूमर बाय वे ऑफ प्रोवाइडिंग एड, लीगल एडवाइस इन सीकिंग लीगल रेमेडी. ठीक है, तो उनको एड प्रोवाइड करते हैं कैसे कि लीगल एडवाइजेस देते हैं ताकि वो लीगल रेमेडी अवेल कर सके. नाउ एनजीओज, नॉन गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, इनका क्या काम है? दे आर वॉलंटरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस फॉर्म टू सर्व डिफरेंट सेक्शंस ऑफ सोसाइटी. फॉर एग्जांपल क्राई, दिस इज चाइल्ड रिलीफ इन यू, वर्क फॉर द वेलफेयर ऑफ पुअर चिल्ड्रन. प्रेस कैन प्ले अ वाइटल रोल इन कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन. For instance, most national newspapers carry a consumer complaints every week. तो आपका दिखाया जाता है कॉलम्स में, कई बार होता है कि कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन में या कंज्यूमर कंप्लेंट्स ली गई तो कंज्यूमर कोर्ट के क्या जुरिसडिक्शन रहा, राइट, क्या कंप्लेंट्स रही, सो दैट द कंज्यूमर विल बी अवेयर एंड दे कैन नो दैट they can avail their rights. Consumer protection has been introduced as a subject of study in schools and colleges. तो कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन एक आपका सब्जेक्ट भी है जो कि कॉलेजेस और स्कूल्स में पढ़ा जाता है. Indira Gandhi Open University has developed a comprehensive syllabus for consumer education, right? So here we have done this is what are the consumer organizations and NGOs which are helping out और कैसे कहाँ किस तरह से कस्टमर को अपील करनी है अगर उसके साथ इंजस्टिस होता है. So yeah, I'm ending up this part of the chapter here only. So the rest we will do in the next part, children. Thank you. And the important last and not the least part is like, share and subscribe the video. Goodbye students. See you in the next video.